Hi all, welcome to our van build series. In this series, I'll take you on a journey turning this into this. I'm Chris, and this is our van. Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of our van build series. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Also, please give a thumbs up if you like my videos, and please add a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. In this video, I'll go through how I made the screens for both the side and back doors.
Okay, so our fly screen ready. Look nice. Can you put up, Chris? Yes, Chris, put up. Yeah, we can put up like this, and then roll up. Okay, simple. I can do it too.
While sewing the curtains and cushion covers was exhausting, this was pretty painless. I actually enjoyed it. I started with the rear doors first, as it seemed to be less complicated than the side doors. As I stated before, this van build was my first time sewing. To simplify what I wanted to achieve, I broke it up into small, manageable sections, making panels that I could later just sew together. In order to make the middle section square, I needed to allow for the curvature of the sides and top, so I made templates for these first. Once I had all four sides done, I could sew these together, and then the fly screen component was simply a square that I could sew in. To fix it to the door opening, I used Velcro that was self-adhesive. Whilst this was initially successful, it proved disastrous as the next day I found the glue had melted and the whole thing ended up as a big heap on the floor. It wasn't even a hot day. So I ended up using wafer head screws to fix it to the door frame, and has held ever since. To hold up the rolled up screen out of the way, I sewed in some buckles. To help with the rolling up of the screen, I used a length of pipe insulation foam sewed into the bottom piece. It also helps weigh it down, keeping it against the bed in the unrolled state. For the zippers, I used heavy duty plastic so they won't rust and stain. These were just sewn into the edges of the side and centre panels. The fly screen is just ordinary fiberglass mesh you can get from any hardware store. For this I just folded over and sewed into the zipper and top and bottom panels. The side door screen was a bit more complicated, but again, breaking it down into smaller manageable sections, it was easy to accomplish. The door component has two parts that allows me to roll it up out of the way using the zipper, and has a magnetic strip that allows me easy entry. I use magnetic strips sewn into the fabric. They need to be super strong in order to stick through the multiple layers of the fabric. Hope you enjoyed that. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Any questions, leave in the comments section, I'll get back to you. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. You should also check out our previous videos. In the next video, I'll talk about making the sunscreens. Bye for now.